Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making smoked fish, grilled fish. Very delicious in African recipes and easy to make. I'll start by lighting some coal. This is optional. And then I go to dig out my fish, clean my fish. I'm using the coal. I keep that to light. That's optional. That's because I want to infuse my fish with smoke. I'm just going to be using two. Now I'm going to cut in my fish and clean out the belly. I'm going to be very careful with this because I want to clean out everything. If you leave this guts in, your fish is going to taste bitter. So make sure you clean that in. Send your fingers right in and take out everything. I started by lighting the coal because I want to put the coal in the oven to give the smoke flavor to the fish. Since I'll be using my oven, you could use your grill, your barbecue grill if you want. You can use whatever grilling method. After cleaning the fish, I went ahead, placed the tail in the mouth and put a stick from the chin through the nose and I cut. That's how it looks like. This also helps to squeeze out water. I salted my fish before putting in the sticks. I'm going to cut out the excess sticks since I'll be using my oven. And after doing this, I'm just going to put this on this draining tray for water to drain. I want the excess water to drain. And with the salt, it will help it to drain faster. I'll go in with a tablespoon of palm oil and just glaze my fish. This will help give that smoked fish color and also add to flavor. Once the heat roasts the fish with the palm oil, it adds to that flavor you have in dry fish or smoked fish. I'll turn the sides and make sure the bottom is also glazed with palm oil. Now, like I said, the hot coal in my oven is optional and you may and you may not use it, but I'm using it because I'm sure of what I'm doing. And if you're not sure of your oven setting conditions, then don't use it. I start by glazing my oven with some of the palm oil so my fish doesn't stick to the grill. And I lined my oven with some foil paper so all the mess that drops, I'm able to easily clean after that. Now I'm just going to go in and place my fish. Make sure they don't touch each other and make sure they don't touch the coal, else they will leak water into the coal and the smoke will go off. I need that smoke in there because I want it to smell of smoke like it is normally done back in Africa with charcoal, or sometimes I do it in the barbecue. But today I want to show you guys how you can do it if you don't have a barbecue outside. You can use your oven. I'm just going to put two because I saw the smoke from the first wasn't enough. 30 minutes after, look at it. I'm going to turn the sides. Make sure you put it with the belly, the opened belly up, then you turn, because when you put it with the open belly down, then it sticks to the grill and it breaks. But if you don't mind having broken fish, no problem. Now 1 hour later, my fish is all done, not burnt, moderate heat, and this is what I wanted. Super beautiful, and look at how that springs back up. I'm sure it is so dry. Not too dry, but when I touch, I feel it. It's hard, but not too hard. It's more like a sponge. I know this is what I want in my meals, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Thank you guys. Bye.